1. Watch your food regimen. Observing your weight reduction plan doesn't mean ravenous to dying. It also isn't only directed at these wishing to drop some weight. The best way you feed your physique and the variety of vitamins and minerals you consume make all the change in how energized, focused, lively, or just the opposite your physique will be. These are aspects to hold in intellect, not ever omit your veggies and fruits. Don't underestimate the vigor of protein. Reduce out on junk foods, and change saturated fats with unsaturated. Cut down on the salt and sugar intake. 2. Activity. In no way underestimate the effect normal exercise has for your body, intellect and spirit. Not best as working out by and large make your body better and energized, it helps your intellect keep extra targeted. It also lifts your spirit and puts you in a better temper overall, a effect of the average believe just right chemicals aka endorphins your brain produces after standard intense sessions of undertaking. Integrating endeavor into your day-to-day lifestyles doesn't need to be costly or time ingesting. Definitely you can hit the gym if you decide upon that, but which you can also do a bodyweight workout at dwelling, jog for 20 to 30 in the morning, or begin doing yoga. Yoga is an first-class activity to construct bodily and mental force, steadiness and improve total flexibility. 3. Hold good posture. And nasty posture does a variety of harm to your spine, ligaments and muscle mass. Hanging conscious proposal into your posture and the way you stroll, sit down, carry stuff could make the effort getting used to, however finally, you'll construct up the habit. Keeping just right posture goes far in retaining your body. That is peculiarly primary for elevating seniors to avoid kyphosis, which is the abnormal curvature of the backbone induced by using osteoporosis. 4. Hydrate. Water constitutes around 60% of our bodies. It's major for all the major and tiny processes taking situation, lubrication of joints, regulating of temperature, blood glide, digestion, and even breathing. On a normal 8-ounce glasses of water is required every day. A direction: when you're following extreme endeavor schedule or having a more lively lifestyle, extra water is needed. 5. Get your beauty sleep. Extra than simply for magnificence, getting a good 7 to 9 hours of sleep helps you deal with stress, be extra targeted and raises your productivity total. 6. Work sensible for the sake of your mental wellness and feeling as a man or woman. Striking ambitions and striving hard to attain them offers you a way of feet, which is a reward of itself. Working clever on this case means optimizing your time, approaching work with creativity and regularly finding out and bettering your approaches. 7. Play rough. You could handiest play difficult after you've labored difficult and intelligent. So give yourself that needed and good deserved damage every as soon as in or even as. Make the most out of it. 8. Meditate. Whether or not it's meditation, prayer or a day trip out of your busy lifestyles to contemplate, meditation is foremost to revisit your goals and make sure you're on track. 9. Watch your social habits. It's easy to get caught up in social gatherings and events, determining up dangerous habits which might be complicated to beat afterwards. Keep track of your social habits, whether or not it's drinking, smoking or some other unhealthy habit, and suppose twice before identifying up any. It's constantly handy to begin and doesn't seem like a significant deal, unless you end up stuck in it. 10. Make it an addiction. Last however not least, consistency is vital. Put mindful idea into the habits you're building, and preserve it until you now not have got to put thought into it. Alternate doesn't come from a single time of trying matters out, it comes as a consequence of steady, power, effort.